Greetings everyone and welcome to Stronghold HD. I got some requests that I should continue with this campaign, and so I shall do the third mission of the Stronghold HD, and after this I will be also doing some command and conquer generals which are also requested, and I'll be doing it with a co-op campaign with one of my friends, and you will see that soon. Now let's start in the meanwhile, and after then we will continue with doing some command and conquer Red Alert 3 and some generals and a lot of more. I have a lot of in my head and I will do those things. Now let's start eliminating the wolves.
We need you to train some new recruits in the use of the bow.
The wolves breed in the next county. Find their lairs and wipe them out. It's them or us.
Find a hilltop and fortify yourself there using a mott and bailey.
Duke de Pouce has been patrolling the area of late, so it is vital you are not spotted, as we don't stand a chance against a full assault.
If you see that rat before I do, be sure you slice him open for me.
Alright.
Construct a Mott and Bailey fortification and strengthen it with some towers. Then start bow production and raise a force of archers with which to eradicate the wolves that run riot there.
Alright, eradicate the wolves. Hint, so place your keep on the hill as this put you in a better defensive position. Build a wooden wall with platforms around your keep. Then move your archers on them to optimize their firing range. The hints are: concentrate on gathering plenty of wood, as this is needed in order to create your bows, wooden walls and platforms. Placing the Fletchery workshop close to the stockpile and armory will increase your Fletcher efficiency. Targeting a wolf with an archer will cause the wall pack to attack. Make sure you have enough archers before trying to eradicate the wolves.
Place a keep to site your castle,
Okay, we
my
have to
liege.
place it over here.
Site your granary, sire.
A granary. And what we'll do, I'm just gonna build a barracks, it doesn't matter. And I'm gonna place an armory, let's
A
say
message
over
from your
here.
scribe. We'll have to work fast. These wolves are everywhere.
Calm down. Let's place stockpile. Good. I don't see them. Oh wait, they're here. Well, then we'll need some hunter posts as well, because I'm running out of food soon. First, some more wood.
Wood
That's
needed.
what I want. 1, 2, 3.
Not enough workers available to run this building.
Good enough. Now let's place some hunters.
Wood needed.
Ah, god damn it. Fine. More hunters then. And 1 leader woodcutter. He'll be our captain. Come on, lads. Quickly.
Wood needed.
There we go. We're starting some
Wood needed.
bow production. And not just some. Oh, what? Oh, wait. Here they come. 3 villages, so let's just do one. Wait, what? Okay, here.
Our granary stocks are growing,
Yes,
sire.
sire.
Our treasury is
Let's-
emptying.
Pull some taxes up. And let's place more hunters.
Not enough workers available to run this building.
Here we go. Nice, here we have
We
some
await
bows.
orders. Recruits needed, sire.
Ooh.
Sir, Depuce's men have arrived. We can't allow them to give away our position. Moving off!
Where are they?
We are on our way. Granary stocks are very low, sire. Can't target him, sir. Can't get there, lord. Archers, ready. Can't target him, sir. My bow is yours. Me lord, leaving arrows. Now, ready.
Kill him!
Instructions. Moving off. We await
Weapons
orders.
needed, sire.
A message from your scribe. The wolves are on the prowl, sire. Can't target him, sir. Wolves are attacking, my lord. We are on our way. We are almost out of food, sire.
Oh,
Leaving now. Our food stocks are
Pull down
dwindling.
the tents.
Gold
My
stocks
liege.
grow steadily,
this is
sire.
enough.
Archers, ready.
Where are the wolves?
Moving off. Notch arrows. My bow is yours. We are on our way. We await
Weapons
orders.
needed, sire.
Me lord, instructions. Finding targets. We await orders. We await orders. Take steady aim. Archers, arrows, ready,
Wolves.
ready.
Victory. Or what? Where? Oh, okay. We're won. We're done.
Victory.
Alright, this was my last previous score from the last campaign that I did this. Now let's continue.
Fortunately, the Rats' scouting party did not survive long enough to give away your position. But it is likely that they will be missed before long.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And as I said before, I have been doing this missions before. And you saw that I had my previous goal and now I did a lot of better now. And as well, like I said before, I will be doing also a Command and Conquer Generals, Red Alert 3 with a co-op campaign with someone which is requested. And also I hope you guys will enjoy those videos and these videos that I'll put a lot. So bear with me, spread the word, and see you guys later.